We're over here watching Dave do his magic on the lathe. This is Bowling Ball Dave is what I'm going to call him. Oh, no, I don't want to distract him. I'm distracting him. He's got a very precarious piece on the old lathe. So let's do this. So what Dave did is he torched a bunch of cedar and then glued it all together. Now he's turning bowls out of it, and it's not coming without struggle, but he's definitely making some good headway on the inside of that. So the inside of that bowl is he's got it pretty even. It just looks wonky because the outside's still a little bit wonky, but this guy's pretty creative. So I'm surprised those glue joints hold with that char, but they do. He's working it slowly, slow speed. He said he's got to keep it at a slow speed so that the centrifugal force will blow it apart. So yeah. Yeah, that's pretty slick. Old Bowling Ball Dave there. Well, let's come here and take a look real close. And that's cedar, so the aroma is amazing right now. It's like opening your cedar chest at home. But that'll be really cool. What he's gonna do is to finish it off is pour a resin, do a resin pour on the inside here, seal it all up and make it real strong. So yeah, Bowling Ball Dave here, making cedar bowls. That's right. Get towards that outside edge a little bit more wonky. It's got to be really small cuts. Not very much thicker. Cedar's a real soft. Oh, probably not even hearing me.
Oh, cedar is soft. Yeah.
Oh, I know. I don't have my mic in, so I'm just trying to talk to this mic.
Oh yeah.
So. I'm just hoping to catch it exploding. Dave doesn't want it to explode. I'm just trying to be funny.
Well, it already exploded.
I know. I wish I would have got it earlier. That would have been. Oh, did you just speed it up?
No, I was going to slow it down to show you the exploded part, but
yeah. starting to look more balanced now.
Yeah.
Spot there.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, that looks good. So there's the piece that already broke out.
I'll just sand that and have the steps in there.
Yeah. Hey, it's unique. Cool.
And then I'll coat it with epoxy